Hi everybody, I hope you had a good weekend. Just wanted to take you through week 4 of quarter 4. So first and foremost, make sure you're checking your emails here for any announcements that I post or updates about class. And then if you click on announcements, you'll see the weekly assignments that are due this week. And once again, you have 5 assignments. Click on week 4, quarter 4 announcement. It'll tell you if you need to Zoom. Once again, send me an email and I'll send you a Zoom link so we can meet individually. But you have 5 assignments. The first one is going to be How Fitness Impacts Learning quiz. That one's going to be due by Monday, April 26th. If you're in the 456 class or Z period class, it's due Tuesday. You have your fitness log. It's due Monday and Tuesday for the 456 and Z period class. And then you've got your vitamins and minerals discussion board due Wednesday/Thursday. Your mile run and your Metaconda and your trunk lift test are both due on Friday. Okay, so any questions regarding any of the assignments, if anything in this video is not clear, make sure you send a message to your instructor so we can meet with you guys individually on Zoom. Okay, so if we go into the modules, once again, you'll notice that should go into student view. They should be all grayed out. You can't click on them until you actually watch this entire instructional video. So once you click on this instructional video, you watch it in its entirety, you'll go ahead and hit next, and then it'll unlock the rest of the assignments for you guys. Okay, so this week you have your trunk lift, so you're gonna watch the video. I know some of you guys have done this already, so watch the video again to show how to do the trunk lift, then you'll click next, and then it'll have the instructions for inputting your score. So you're going to watch the video and then perform the trunk lift test. You don't have to actually physically record yourself doing it, just have to write down your score. So submit your score by clicking the blue assignment submission button, and then you can enter either between 0 or 12. Obviously, if you go beyond 12, just write 12 down. You don't have to write a bigger number. The score must be between 0 and 12. So in order to do that, you're just going to click take the quiz, and then you'll be able to input your score. So for example, if I did it and I was able to take this test, say I scored a 15, you still need to put 12 because that's the maximum you can put that you can enter. Okay, if you have a medical condition that prevents you from completing this test, just enter a 0 and email your instructor letting them know your medical condition. But if you test up here and your range is pretty bad, it's okay. You don't have to explain. Only if you have some medical condition, please put a 0 and send an email. Okay, and then you'll go ahead and hit submit, and you're completed. Okay, the next assignment that you need to do, so let me go ahead and go to next. Go to modules. So the next assignment is going to be the assignment's due on Monday/Tuesday. So you're going to read exercise in the brain. If the article doesn't automatically load, you're going to go ahead and click this white link here, and it'll take you to the article. You'll read through the article. Once you've read through the article, you'll go ahead and go to your quiz, and you've got 30 minutes to take your quiz. It's 10 multiple choice true false questions. So you read the article. This also will take you back to the article if you want to read it again. And then you have 30 minutes to complete 10 multiple choice questions. And thank you, Jeanette Iglesias, for creating this week's quiz. And then to start the quiz, you'll just click the blue button and take the quiz. Okay. The next assignment you guys have is going to be your fitness log. So once again, you can do whatever you want. Make sure you're doing it for at least 30 minutes. If you decide to walk, run, or bike, make sure that you just submit the screenshot of that from your running app. That way I can see that you did it. If you do your treadmill, same thing, submit a screenshot of that. Make sure that if you do include your exercises, just be specific about reps, sets, weights, how much you did, how many of each. If you are playing a sport, you may use your practice for the week as your workout or your fitness log workout. Make sure you're specific. If you play basketball, let me know how many times you ran up and down the court, how many shots you took, what types of activities you did, if you did push-ups, if you did sit-ups. all of that stuff, make sure you include that. So if I were to read your workout, I could do exactly what you did in practice and get the same result. Okay. So you'll get 10 points for that. Make sure that you include the following information. It's all broken down in order to determine how many points you get. If you're noticing you're not getting full credit for your fitness logs, you're probably missing something important here. So double check what you're getting the points for. Okay. And then the next assignment will be, it's going to be due. This one's actually not due till Friday. Don't wait till Friday to do it. Make sure you do it ahead of time. The weather is going to be very inclement this week. We may have a little bit of rain. So try to pick a good time of day to do it, a good time of the week to do it. If you like to run in the rain, then go for it. Okay. But you have your choice of an indoor run, an outdoor run, or Metaconda. So same instructions as usual. If you need visual instructions, please click on the video and you can watch the instructions on how to complete this assignment. If you're using Nike Run, make sure that you join the fitness challenge that I have set up on my phone. I can track your workout straight from there. You get credit for showing the following information. If you're doing the running indoor instructions, make sure that you take a picture of your treadmill dashboard showing your mile and your time, and then include this information on your Post-it to get your full 10 points of extra credit. And make sure the Post-it is on the actual dashboard. I don't want to see a picture of your dashboard and then a separate picture of your Post-it. Put them all together on the photo. And then for Metaconda, once again, 10 points awarded for 10 minutes worth of your workout. Okay, so in order to complete this assignment, you're going to go ahead and hit the blue button and then insert your assignment there. Okay, and then your next assignment is going to be your discussion board. So there are many vitamins and minerals that provide health benefits to the body. Some help with added energy, some help build strong bones, they help burn fat, and others help with mental focus. This week, you must write about either a vitamin or mineral and share the following. So this is different because normally I close the discussion until you post something. This week, I'm leaving the discussion open. So when you open the discussion, you can look at what other people have posted before you do your own posting. If you are the very first person posting, great. You can choose any vitamin or mineral that you want to write about. It only has to be either a vitamin or a mineral, not both. Okay, so just pick one or the other. And then make sure that you write down. So if you say you're going to write about vitamin D, so you just write vitamin D is what I've decided to write about. And then you're going to list the health benefits that it provides to the body. What form does this vitamin or mineral come in? So you can explain, you can take it in pill form, you can take it in liquid or whatever it is. So vitamin D, you can say, oh, you can take it from a pill over the counter, you can get it from milk or whatever, however else you can get vitamin D. And then how often should you take this vitamin? So research that, or mineral, research that and let me know how much is recommended. Should you do it daily, weekly, how many milligrams, or whatever form that it should be taken in? And then the last part is, are there any side effects if you take too much of this vitamin or mineral? So sometimes too much of a good thing is bad. So make sure that you're looking up if there are side effects for any of these vitamins or minerals and put it in the discussion board. So reminder, if you go into the discussion and you kind of had your heart set on doing a certain vitamin or mineral, look at what other people have posted first. If it's already there, pick another one. So when I look at the discussion board, I should see a different discussion from everyone for either a vitamin or a mineral. Okay? If you have questions, please let me know. Just make sure that you try to do this assignment as soon as possible, because the longer you wait, the less options that you'll have as far as picking a vitamin or mineral. Okay? And once again, if you have questions, please feel free to email me, send me a message if you need to meet for Zoom. For Zoom, I can send you a link. Okay, other than that, have a great week you guys.